Derek Shapiro for Priority Auto, towing and repair, 24-hour towing and repair. Convenient located at 5 Astor Street, West Warwick, Rhode Island. Alan is the owner. Give them a call, 401-615-9850, 401-615-9850. You can email them at alan@priorityautomarine.com, alan@priorityautomarine.com. Visit them online at priorityautomarine.com, priorityautomarine.com. Visit them on Facebook, /priorityautomarine, facebook.com /priorityautomarine. Priority Auto, towing and repair. Again, 50 Astor Street, West Warwick, Rhode Island. Tell them that Derek Shapiro sent you.